Hello my dear students, in this video we are continuing with lesson 2 how we run our towns and cities from civics portion. Okay, and in the first video I discussed, we learned about metropolitan cities, municipality, three main types of municipality, composition, municipal corporations composition, etc. We discussed in the first video. And what are the metropolitan cities in India? Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai are the metropolitan cities in India. And what is the municipality? The local self-government body for an urban area is called municipality. I think we already discussed about what is urban and what is rural. So in local self-government body for an urban area is called municipality. And in India, three main types of municipalities are there: Nagara Panchayat, municipal council, municipal corporation. And then we discussed about the composition of municipal corporation, how many members are there, what is the procedure of election, what are the qualification, etc. We discussed in the first video. And here I am going to explain about the functions of municipal corporation, what are the important duties of municipal corporation. And of course all of you know that municipal corporation, it is a urban area, so naturally high population, many people are living together in particular area, isn't it? So naturally the roads, drainages, always it will be filled with waste material. So it is the duty of the municipal corporation arranges for the clearing away the garbage and maintenance of the drainage system. Okay, and the municipal corporation, they appoint workers for collecting garbage from household. Okay, and a collection point should be there. A collection point may have separate dustbins for biodegradable garbage. Biodegradable garbage means what? Which can be disposed without harming the environment. And recyclable garbage, two types of garbage are there: recyclable garbage and biodegradable garbage. Biodegradable garbage means it can be disposed without harming the environment, and recyclable garbage means which we can reuse. Okay, so two boxes will be there, one for recyclable garbage and one is biodegradable garbage. Okay, so these are the things doing by municipal corporation. The arrange for the clearing away of garbage and maintenance for the drainage system. Okay, for that they appoint workers for collecting garbage from household. And next duty, that is it look after corporation, municipal corporation looks after public health, for take care of the people or looks after the health of the people. Municipal corporation running hospitals, dispensaries. Okay, and in dispensaries will get first aid, and hospitals also should be there. And the corporation carries out preventive measures to check communicable disease like malaria, dengue, chikungunya, etc. And what is the second duty? The municipal corporation is looked after of public health by running dispensaries and hospitals, and the corporation take measures for preventing different kinds of communicable disease like malaria, dengue, chikungunya, etc. Okay, and next third duty is corporation arranging drinking water, and it arrange street lights. All of you know what is the importance of drinking water and street light, etc. So the corporation, it arranges drinking water and street light. And next one is the municipal corporation record birth and death. And I think all of you know that after a death or after a birth we should inform corporation, isn't it? So it is the duty of the corporation to record birth and death, and it is issuing birth certificates and death certificate. I think all of you know what is the importance of birth certificate and death certificate. It is the duty of the municipal corporation to issue birth certificate and death certificate. And next one is municipal corporation, it runs schools, libraries, museum, parks, zoos, etc. Municipal corporation, it runs schools, public libraries, museum, park and zoos. And what is the next duty? The corporation provides and maintain markets, roads, bridges, public toilet, etc. It is the duty of municipal corporation to build roads, to build bridges, public toilets, etc. etc. Okay, and next duty. What is the next duty? Next and last duty. It plays a role in monitoring and checking pollution by imposing fines on people those who are violating pollution norms. Okay, it is the duty of municipal corporation check and monitoring pollution and those who are violating these rules and regulations, corporation imposing different kinds of fines. Okay, these are the important duties of municipal corporation, functions of municipal corporation. Once again, I'll summarize it. The first duty, that is corporation arranges for the clearing away of garbage and maintenance of the drainage system. And second one, that it looks after public health by running dispensaries and hospitals. And third one is corporation arrange drinking water and street light, and corporation issue birth certificate and death certificate. And next one is corporation runs schools, public libraries, museums, parks, zoos, etc. etc. Okay, and I told you that it is the duty of municipal corporation arranging drinking water, make roads, bridges, toilets, etc. etc. For these all the things, they need lot of money. And how they are collecting money from the people? What are the sources of income of municipal corporation? The main income of corporation is tax. All of you know that we are giving different types of taxes, isn't it? So these are the important income of municipal corporation. This is the way they are collecting money from the people. Okay, and all of you know that about taxes. Isn't different kinds of taxes are there? Property taxes, then water tax, many things are there. So it also collect tax on non-motorized vehicles like cycles, rickshaws, etc. etc. And in some cities it collect tolls. I think all of you know about tolls. In some cities corporation collect tolls also for roads, bridges, etc. etc. Okay, so what are the important sources? What are the important different way they are collecting money from the people for making these all the things? First one, they are getting money from different kinds of taxes, property tax, water tax, etc. etc. Okay, so these are the important things related with this portion. And all of you please read again and again. If you have any doubt about any point, you can ask through the comments. Thank you, children.